What's up guys, Satish here. As you can see, today I'm gonna unbox this all new Mi Play smartphone which was launched in China last month. It was launched for a price tag of 1100 yuan, which translates to roughly 11,500 in Indian rupee. Packaging wise, definitely Xiaomi dumped their typical orange branded box which we all have seen. Seems Xiaomi wants to go all minimal with this white package. On rear side of the box, we can see three major features of the phone. 5.8-inch Full HD Plus IPS display. We get to see two 12-megapixel rear cameras. And this time it has Mediatek MT6765 Helio P35 octa-core chipset. Inside the box, we get one more branding that says Play on top. We get SIM ejector pin. And as expected, there is TPU cover. And as you can see, there are three guides that's in Chinese and one manual in English. You may wonder why there is SIM card included. Actually, Xiaomi offers free 10 GB of 4G data per month for 1 full year if you use this phone in China. So I'm wondering, can Xiaomi bring something similar offer to India when this gets launched here? Next we get the phone. Let me peel off these stickers front and back. I particularly wanted to have hands-on of this dual-tone enabled blue-purple combo variant, and I should say it is beautiful, though it instantly grabbed fingerprints and smudges. The phone is very compact as the display is 5.8 inch instead of typical 6.2 inch as seen in many smartphones out there. You can see there is water drop notch as well and moderately small chin on bottom. Then we get typical USB 2.0 cable and Chinese power adapter since this is an imported phone, and this adapter is not capable of fast charging as expected. That's it in the box, and as usual there is no earphone included. Let me boot the phone, and meanwhile before it gets started, here are the specifications of the phone. As you can see, there is water drop notch which is very small and subtle. Under this water drop notch, we get 8 megapixel front camera which can record in 1080p at 30 frames per second. Beside that, there is a LED indicator. On right side of the phone, we got volume rockers. Below that, power unlock button. A loudspeaker and charging slot on bottom which seems very symmetrical in terms of design. On top, we get 3.5mm audio jack. And for your information, there is no infrared port. On left side of the phone, we get triple slot, which lets you to use two 4G enabled SIM cards and a SD card up to 256 GB simultaneously. On rear side of the phone, we get two 12-megapixel f2.2 cameras, below that single LED flash, and below that fingerprint scanner. So out of the box, it runs on Android 8.1 OS with MIUI 10 skin on top. Out of 64 GB, you still get 54 GB, and out of 4 GB of RAM, you still get around 2.5 GB of RAM left. I will make one more video shortly that covers detailed look of the phone and its features, so subscribe to the channel to get notified when I post the new video. That's it for today. This is Satish signing off. Have a nice day.